You can expect a lot from the 2017 BMW X3. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. This model accommodates 5 passengers comfortably and provides features such as front and rear reading lights, a leather steering wheel, a built-in garage door transmitter, a trip computer, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, rain-sensing wipers, and power front seats. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. BMW ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. When road conditions become unpredictable, rely on all-wheel drive to maintain outstanding control. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.